In this video, we are going to discuss about hydrocarbon chapter. In this chapter, we are discussing few preparation methods of hydrocarbon. In that one, some reduction method. Reduction by using reduction process, we are going to prepare this hydrocarbon. Reduction means, for example, we are taking some alkyl iodide in the presence of some hydrogen halide. The thing is in the presence of red phosphorus are going to take. Here what happened is Rn, these two iodine is coming out like a I2, these two are RH is forming. This is our alkane. This is our hydrocarbon. Here why we are going to use this red phosphorus? What this red phosphorus is doing is this phosphorus, whatever the phosphorus is there, it is going to react with iodines. I2 coming again, this iodine radical, this iodine radical. Keep on these iodine radicals are coming, it is going to form PI3. If this reaction is not there, there will be a backward reaction. That is a reversible reaction. So to avoid, To avoid backward reaction, what you are using? Phosphorus is using here. That's what. And next, other reduction process. Like this, many we can take. Some acid we can take. C double bond OH. Otherwise, some aldehyde we can take. C double bond OH. Otherwise, some anything like this. For this and all, we can use the same reagent. That is what? Red phosphorus here. Here, there will be a reduction process. In this process, what happened? All this will be RCH3 is going to find. Here also RCH3. Here also RCH2 CH3. Like this, few reactions are there by using the same red phosphorus. These are all like a reduction reactions. So here the same reagent HI and red phosphorus can use to get this products. These are all alkanes only. In a similar way, we also can go with some good reactions, important reactions like Wolff-Kishner reactions. In this one, some reagent is going to vary here. What is that reagent? RC double bond O R like that. Any carbonyl group in the presence of what? Wolff-Kishner means we can take some hydrogen NH2 the presence of KOH. What it is doing is this group is going to here RCH2R. This group is going to reduce to this one. So number of carbons will be same only. This is also preparation of hydrocarbon alkane. In a similar way, Clemmensen reduction. Here also the same thing only. The only variation is, what is the variation here? Reagent zinc amalgam ZnHz in the presence of what is that? Dilute HCl you are taking means here also process is same RCH2R. Like this we can use this one, and also some other method by using Grignard reagent. What is that? Grignard reagent we can use here. What is the Grignard reagent? RMGX format. R means any alkyl group, MGX. This Grignard, how to break this Grignard reagent? RMGX always can be considered as R minus plus MGX plus. This and all you have to consider as a plus one. Based on this, we can use RMGX here. Can make a reaction with different things. For example, I will take a reaction with acid, RC double bond OH, and other we can take a reaction with NH3. Other one we can take a reaction with ROH. All are here. What these are donating? Everybody giving they are all protonation reaction. Here H plus it will give. Here also H plus will come. Here also H plus will come. Here what is how to break this? R minus MgX plus R minus and this R minus this H plus. Here also what is that? One H plus will come from this. Here also this H plus will come. So what is the product here? R and this H. So RH is our alkane. RH here also RH, common product. Here what are the byproducts here? Byproduct what is there? MgX, no? Mg this X. MgX here also. MgX here also. MgX. I will write complete product weight here. MgX. What is the part? MgX I am writing here. What is remaining? RC double bond OR. What is it here? What I have written? O C double bond OR. This is the byproduct. Here also Mg. H plus coming out. What is remaining? NH2 remaining. So that NH2. Here H plus coming out. What is remaining? OR. So this is all byproducts are coming here. This is from Grignard region. This is also important one. Like this. Now other preparation method is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation of what is that? Sodium salts of acids. Then what I will take is anything here RC double bond ONA. This is a sodium salt. Sodium salt in the presence of what? NaOH plus CaO. This is what? Here, what is this NaOH CaO? This NaOH and CaO is called as soda lime. NaOH CaO is called as what is that? This is soda lime. What is NaOH here? Why this CaO using? Always this is in the 3:1 ratio. What is the purpose of CaO here? CaO keeps NaOH dry. How? Any water is there means it is going to absorb. That is the nature of this CaO. That is why 3:1 ratio. 3 times NaOH means one time CaO we are going to take, we are using here. In this one, what is going to happen is here NaOH is going to come. It is coming as Na2CO3. Na2, 2 sodium, CO3. Na2, this 2 sodium, CO3, CO3, 1, 2, 3. This part and all coming like this. This part and all coming like this. So, what is coming here? Na2CO3. What is remaining here? RH. This H, this R. RH coming here plus what is coming out? Na2CO3. Here my product is RH. That is what my hydrocarbon. In a similar way, what we are going to study is here one more point is here R group. This R group only coming here. So that here CH3 you are taking means CH4 will come. Here CH3 means your hydrocarbon will be CH4. Your R is like what is that? Ethene. CH3 CH2 means your hydrocarbon will be what? CH3 CH3. This is ethane. So that in this process what we can prepare is methane we can prepare. Important this one. Methane can be prepared. Here by using decarboxylation. Of sodium salts of acids. In a similar way, other important one is Brugge reaction. Brugge reaction. This reaction, what we are going to take is alkyl halide in the form of RX in the presence of sodium. We are going to take. Where we are going to take? With ether is a solvent here. Here 2 times. 2 times of this I am writing like this. 2 times means for my convenience I am taking like this. So 2 times of this here 2 sodiums are coming. NaX. Sodium halide is coming out. This part is going to remove out. This part is removing out. What is remaining? R and R coming. So that R and R plus what is forming? 2 moles of NaX. Generally, whatever the product form here, RR is my hydrocarbon. What is my hydrocarbon? That is RR is hydrocarbon. This hydrocarbon is always this is a symmetrical one. This is a generally this will be symmetrical. This will be useful while doing conversions. So by the product you can, by using this product you can find the reactant. If you are seeing on the arrow ether and sodium, like this happening, methane cannot be prepared by this. What you can CH4 cannot be prepared, cannot obtained by this method. Methane cannot be obtained by this method. If what is the if R? Here R is same, this R and this R is same. In case this R and some other Na plus some other R group is there. Some other R group is there means at that time there is a possibility. What is the possibility here? What is coming? R only, these two only coupling no. So that what is the possibility here? R and R. Two types of these molecules can combine. This one and this one combined, and this one and this one can combine. How can I write? Two types of these molecules only can participate in the reaction so that RR can form. Otherwise, what can form? R and R dash can form plus R dash can form. So this mixture, whatever the mixture is, this is difficult. This is a mixture no, so that this is difficult to separate. This is difficult to separate. Odd number also you can. Odd number of carbon. Here one carbon you are taking means here also one carbon you are taking means even number will come. Here two carbons are there, here one carbon means odd number will come. While doing like this, if R groups are different, R is not equal to R dash, at that time what is coming? Mixture of, what is the mixture of hydrocarbons, which is, what is that? Which is difficult to separate. This is what Urji reaction. The point is here, methane cannot be prepared by the Urji reaction. Here, this is present in ether solvent. And the next important method is Kolb's electrolysis. This one will be Kolb's electrolysis. Here what we are going to, here also some sodium salt of acid we are going to take. For example R, C double bond O, and this sodium salt of acid. You are taking here, electrolysis means what will be there? Water will be there. Here what is forming is, electron, one cathode will be there, one anode will be there. This is a free radical mechanism. This is 5 free radicals involving here. So how I am going to arrange is, here this H is there, no, I am writing H, OH, H, OH. Like this, here, already it is there, I am going to arrange them. How they are going to involve cathode and anode. See that? Here Na and OH. NaOH. This water mix, this like this. In this fashion I am writing, and one CO3. One CO2 gas coming out. I am writing separately. Hydrogen. H and H. So hydrogen gas coming out. NaOH. What is that? NaOH and 2 times. I am taking 2 times. This means what is coming now? 2 NAs are there. NaOH, NaOH. 2 hydrogens are there. Hydrogen, H2 gas coming. What is the CO2 gas releasing? 2 R's are there. R radical. Both are combinedly giving what? 1 R and plus 1 CO2. Similarly, what is there here? What is there here? NaOH plus H2. There is a free radical mechanism here. What we have to keep in the mind is, this is going to form a anode. This is avoiding the examination. This is going to form at where? Cathode. This is going to form at cathode. These two are coming at, releasing at cathode. In this one, what is going to prepare here? R is there. R is going to dump. CH3 means here. CH3 means here. CH3. Ethyl you are taking means ethyl. Here 1 carbon is there means here 2 carbons. Here 2 carbons are there, here 4 carbons. Carbons are going to get double. Here also there will be a symmetry. In the hydrocarbon, what you are getting. So the double coming no, so which is not possible here. Methane can't obtain, cannot. Methane cannot obtain by this method. Methane cannot obtain by this method. So it is a free radical mechanism, and the electrolysis. Some electricity are going to supply means water is going to react in this fashion with free radical mechanism. It is coming out. Here the thing is, anode is at anode CO2 coming, at cathode hydrogen gas is going to release. So initially this is a salt and water. Initially it is a salt and water. What is the pH what you are expecting? This mixture, whatever the mixture is there, this pH will be neutral. No, pH will be 7. pH will be 7 means this is a indicates what is that? This is a like a neutral. Salt and this one. Maybe neutral. Here what happened? Strong base is forming. What is this? This is a strong base. Strong base pH will be what? More than 7. pH will be increases. pH increases in which process? In Kolb's electrolysis. In Kolb's electrolysis, pH is going to increase. That one we can observe here. And the next process will be, the next process here, Cori House synthesis. Cori House synthesis. Here, what I am taking is one alkyl halide I will take. Here one RX with lithium. Taking here 2 times lithium we can use. What is forming is that R minus X minus R plus. Here Li and X. Lithium and that X coming out. What is going there? R and Li. R and Li. And after that, this 2 times R Li. Alkyl lithium. You are going to react with copper iodide. See that. What I am going to write here? How many R's are there? 2 R's are there. 2 lithiums are there. How they are going to form here? What is the oxygen state of this copper? Copper plus 1, iodine minus. Lithium plus, this is minus, this is minus. How I am going to arrange you see? This R2, Cu, Li. R2, Cu, Li. What is remaining? Lithium iodide remaining. This is called as Gilman reagent. This is Gilman reagent. What is the name of the reagent? Gilman. In this process, this is called as Gilman reagent. In some preparations, they can start the reaction from this also, R2. So that this one I am going to take here. This is my alkyl group. This is part R2, Cu, Li. It is going to react with some alkyl halide. Maybe same or different. Alkyl halide. How it is going to come here? See that. Here this R and this R dash coming. This R and R dash. This R and R dash remaining. What is coming here? LiX coming out. And LiX over R and Cu. RCO. This is what? This is my hydrocarbon in this preparation. This is what my hydrocarbon. Remember, this is what Cori House synthesis. In case anything, this R group may be primary, secondary, or tertiary. Any one we can take here. Anyway, for example, I am taking. They are taking a reaction like this. I am taking like this. Any alkyl halide starting and all I am taking with some X. After that, lithium is there. What is coming here? What I can write here? Carbon with lithium. Li X is coming out. Again 2 times you have to do 2 times of what is that? This one, lithium plus CuI. Byproduct what is coming? Li coming. This and all coming. What is this R group? I have to concentrate on R group here. Cu Li. This is Li. Again, this part is going to react with what? Again, some CH3X, CH3Cl. At the time, what is coming? all this. What is my point? What I have to focus? This R group. This is like a R group. This is like a R dash. What is my product now? Like this, you have to write the product. This is not my product. This is what my final product. Remaining and all I don't want. What is that? Cu other alkyl group plus LiCl. This is my required product. This is what important for me in this Corey house synthesis.